The last component to my home buying toolkit includes a review of the contracts and the forms that you're typically going to be using when buying a home. So I've gone through all of these forms and I've indicated what is important and what are the things that you really need to be paying attention to, what should be important to when you're buying a house. For example, in today's market, we're seeing a lot of competitive offers. So how do you strengthen an offer and how do you make it more competitive but know which rights you're giving up? So for example, Windermere has a form where you can easily highlight or indicate what items you're going to be waiving in rights or contingencies. So I've gone through most of these contracts and highlighted everything that's important to you or the stuff that you should know. I've made notes, I've highlighted what you need to know, so you become a much savvier buyer when you're looking to buy a home and you're getting these forms and you know what you're signing. This is probably the most anxiety-driven part of buying a house. What are you signing? These are all legal forms. Included with that is when the inspector comes out, or not the inspector, the appraiser comes out, and they're doing an evaluation of the house to see if it's worth that. I put together this appraiser packet for all of my clients so the appraiser can see how we valued the home, looking at the comps, looking at the offer that you submitted as a client, looking at the competitive offer that came through so they can see that other people were willing to go higher or pay this much for a house. Talks about the highlights about the house and talks about the other property comps that I use to be able to bring the value to the house.